Thank you so much, sir. Now, I request Mr. Nilesh Unatkar to address the gathering.
Good afternoon. This is a wonderful crowd. Usually speaker speaks loudly, good morning, good afternoon, and then audience is somewhere in here. Here speaker is awake, because you are awake. So it's wonderful. Now, we have an interactive session because I don't have any presentation with me. And feel free in between also you can ask and you can take on those questions and we take it further. Last year, in case if somebody wants to buy a flat, usually any part of India, usually let's assume that flat cost is a crore rupees, 1 crore. And usually payment used to be 60-40, 70-30, yeah 80-20. What is meant by that? 60-40. Okay, what is? Exactly. Now when you say black and white, is the currency black? Okay. Then how it is black? It's plain and simple. Yes. ये वो पैसा था जिस पे आप टैक्स नहीं भरते थे, ये अपना रेगुलर सोर्स से इनकम नहीं था. नाउ डू यू थिंक आज पॉसिबल होगा वैसा ट्रांजेक्शन करना? क्यों नहीं पॉसिबल होगा? डिमोनेटाइजेशन? गुड, यू आर रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर, दैट्स गुड. Now, similar way, if I tell you that technology can control corruption, you will believe? Yes, sir. कैसे? How it's possible? Never mind, I'll take it further. Don't इतना मत खर्च करिए अपना करना. See, मैं छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. I'll put it very simple. Have you seen on the normal traffic signal पे आप लोग बाइक या कार ड्राइव करते हैं? I'm sure many of you driving being in Pune टू व्हीलर ड्राइव कर रहे होंगे. आप जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग के बाद पार्क करते हैं, बाइक रोकते हैं या पहले रोकते हैं? एक्सीलेंट. जैसा बोल रहे हैं वैसा कर रहे हैं. टिपिकली आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू आर डूइंग. अक्रॉस इंडिया ऐसे नहीं होता है. वो कहीं आगे तक चला जाता है, सिग्नल जंप कर लेते हैं. अब ये टिपिकल सिनेरियो में क्या होता है? व्हाट हैपेंस दैट देयर इज अ आरटीओ गाय हाइडिंग समवेयर बिहाइंड ट्री, ही विल सडनली कम एंड सम ऑफ यू आर वेरी स्मार्ट. वो 20 रुपीस का नोट या 50 रुपीस का नोट रेडी रखा है, हैंड ओवर एंड रश. सिंपल सॉल्यूशन. बट नाउ देयर आर मेनी प्लेसेस द कैमरास आर फिक्स्ड. So the moment, forget about jumping the signal, that is for sure they're going to catch you. But even if you are not stopping your bike before zebra crossing, you will get a challan. You will get a penalty, you will get a communication that on so and so date, with photograph that thing comes. This is good technology. No need to pay that fine, and self-discipline will be there. Same person internationally, when we go, we follow all the rules, regulations. India, we don't follow. Same person not following the rules. But this way, at least I am happy that people will follow these rules, and definitely this will control the corruption. Just imagine that RTO guy is earning every day 50, 100 from many. There are 2,000 in a day is to earn, and then the moment you have black money, it keeps on adding. There is a parallel informal economy is going on. Rather going on, it was going on. Now it is more or less controlled, you can say. So there are a lot of disadvantages when the money is a parallel economy is going on. So in today's time, it's really controlled. There are so many new taxpayers added. I'll put it the other way. There are many businessmen. See, as a human being in India, rather anywhere in the world, we try and find shortcuts. We try and save. There are many business houses, many businessmen, traders. They do billing in a year, let's say a few crores, but while filing the return, they take help of a chartered accountant to उसको कम कैसे करें ताकि लोगों को कम टैक्स देना पड़े. They try and save the tax. Now, slowly, gradually, all those things are gone because it's really transparent now. जैसे इन्होंने बताया, everywhere, you know, you are monitored, your behavior is monitored, your bank accounts are linked, your PAN, your Aadhaar, your identity, everything is linked and it can be tracked. So it's very difficult nowadays to, you know, manipulate such things. And ultimately, this whatever money was not coming in a system, in a formal economy, now it started coming in. And at the end of it, this money is going to be utilized for our benefit only. For the infrastructure development, there are so many, you know, government wants to do spend for the people, but it was not possible earlier, or it was possible in a very minuscule. Now it's much better way they can do it. Now, coming back to the industry which I represent, we are into financial planning, insurance, mutual fund, bonds, FDs, will writing service, all those things we take care. Now, typically, how many of you have medical policy? Mediclaim policy आपके पास कितने लोगों के पास होगा? Very good. Now, typically ये होता है कि आप जब हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट होते हो, तो in India we have that habit, थोड़ा सा घर पे कैश रखा रहता है इमरजेंसी के लिए. We call it medical emergency. और बहुत सी चीज़ों में यूज होता है, that's a different thing. बट रखा जाता है घर पे कैश की मेडिकल इमरजेंसी है. आप जब हॉस्पिटल में जाते हो तो फिर वो कैश लेके काम. And because of the system, most of the hospitals also never bothered about the, you know, credit card से pay करें या digital payment हो. They are also very happy with taking cash. But after demonetization, though facility was available, you know, cashless, but many people used to never utilize. But after November 2016, by default, people are utilizing that cashless facility, and that money is, you know, whatever is there kept as an emergency fund, it's their real emergency fund. So that's good thing. Now another thing about the insurance policy, normally what happens, whether it's a life insurance, health insurance, when you need to claim, you need to show the original policy document. And typically होता है कि घर पे जिसने भी पॉलिसी लिया जो कॉर्डिनेट कर रहा है वो पॉलिसी लेके संभाल के रख लिया. And usually they keep it such a safe that when you need it's not available. नहीं होता है, it's practical difficulty है. We Indians love to store it safely. इतना सेफ हो जाता है टाइम पे मिलता ही नहीं. Now when you need to go for a claim, it's very difficult unless you have your policy document. So nowadays, you know, in the technology development and rightly said, e-lockers are available. So with us, whenever there is any policy, it's available in e-locker. So tomorrow, for any reason you lost your policy, there is no problem. Immediately we can arrange policy document from there, and the claim can be taken care. Now, similarly, health insurance, there are so many things which is added in terms of the technology. Have you heard about the fitness band? क्या होता है उससे? What is meant for that? आराम से बताइए. See, the idea of fitness band is that it's a preventive care. Usually, what happens when you buy a medical policy, when you know hospitalized, you can claim from there. Hospital expenses can be claimed for the policy. But आप सोचिए कि there are something available which will take care की boss. It's not going in the right direction. You need to take care of your health. So fitness band is something like that. There are many insurance companies, health insurance companies offering discounts and the, you know, premium पे discount हो जाता है, incentives available है. When you wear those fitness band, and that fitness band monitors your daily walking, daily routine, and that data is captured with the insurance company. So there, you know, you get the reports where your, you know, blood pressure is going up and down, or your diabetes, sugar level is going up and down. So the moment you get a communication that, boss, this is not wrong, this is not correct, this is wrong. So you start taking precaution. Probably tomorrow I'll start controlling my diet, or I'll start walking. So that way it really helps. Instead of going to hospitalize करने के बाद मेडिक्लेम लेने से अच्छा है कि आप हॉस्पिटल में ही ना जाए. In this scenario, the benefit is for the both. Insurance company also, उनको less claims होंगी, and as an individual, you'll be very happy that, you know, without going to hospital, you know what precaution needs to be taken. So that is something called preventive care. Something similar way, technology is helping in the car insurance also. There are a lot of accident happens, you know, and claim settle करना होता है. Now, slowly, gradually, now the data is available with the insurance companies, and the data is in such a way that they can define a pattern wherein they come to know who's fraudulent claims are there. There are people, they try and take back money. XYZ reason they are done with the car, but they want to claim for the company, which is not correct. Now, similarly, there are devices available in a car when you install that device in a car. So, daily you can get a report on your system, on your mobile, saying that at what speed, average speed your car you were driving, which is good or not, you come to know. Similar way, your car ka fuel efficiency, your car ka air pressure, everything is monitored, and the data is available. So at the end of the day, you are absolutely clear about the what is happening. It's like जैसे मैंने health insurance में बताया preventive. Similar way, here also it's preventive care for your car. So that way, lot of things available in the insurance field, which technology is helping. Now, going further, somebody was inquiring about the shares also. Now shares maybe there was a time, it's very old technology, now it's really lot of improvements are there. There used to be share certificate available. I'm sure your parents or grandparents, if you find, there are still some of them will be holding some share certificates. Now it's all demonetization. It's all, dematerialization. So all your shares, instead of having the share certificate, it's available in the system. So transaction is much easier. So there are a lot of developments happening in this industry as such. Mutual fund also, as somebody mentioned earlier presentation, Mr. Saket mentioned about the KYC. Now KYC is much easier because of the Aadhaar data. There are a lot of people who wants to invest. In a day they can open the Demat account. So there are a lot of development happening in terms of for the investment, for the insurance. There are a lot of things which is happening, which is ultimately going to benefit in general the individual. So I think here I'd like to stop and thank you for your time. Thank you.